Hi guys, welcome back to Keeping It Real with Yogasini. Today is Fitness with Yogasini. Why? Because it's a Monday and we start the Monday with a fitness routine. Now, this is not a normal fitness routine. I'm not actually going to work out today. Today, I'm just going to discuss about this thing that I have incorporated in my daily fitness. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram. I'm at @Yogasini, where I post fitness videos every day. So if you haven't followed me there, I think you should go over to Instagram right now, follow, and then come back, or do it later, as you wish. Anyhow, so I have been doing my fitness routine these days wearing a waist trainer. Now, I will tell you a full-on detail as to what is a waist trainer, but so many of you DM me asking, "Madam, what is this? Why are you wearing this? How does it help you?" Lot of questions. So instead of replying to each and every one of you, because I kind of got tired after 10 DMs, I thought might as well make a video. A waist trainer is something that you wear around your waist, duh, and it's something that hinges, really tightens your core. Now, if you are a woman, you must have worn a corset or those Spanx underneath really tight dresses just to look really curvy and flat and no bulges sticking out. So a waist trainer is something like that. But the purpose of a waist trainer is slightly different from a corset or a Spanx. And Spanx is something that really tucks in everything. And I usually wear Spanx when I'm when I've got a bodycon dress going on and I can feel my love handles hanging out a bit, I wear a Spanx. To be very honest, I do not like wearing Spanx. I can't breathe in it. I'm very uncomfortable, and for some odd reason my Spanx just goes on digging into my skin and rolling niche, and eventually I'm very uncomfortable and I take it off. But a waist trainer is very different, and I'll show you exactly what the waist trainer is. This is the waist trainer. It's like normal kapra patta sort of a thing. It's stretchable, you can see, it's very stretchable. This has hooks, and these hooks are very easy to put. I have got it in the size small. There is a size medium as well as a large. I have heard of the waist trainer for the longest time and I always wanted one, but I remember my episode with Spanx were not very comfortable, so I thought maybe I'll feel the same way. I bought the waist trainer just to wear it during my workout routines, the ones I do it in the morning and the ones I do it in the evening. You are supposed to keep your core tight and really strong while doing any core exercises or ab exercises so that the muscles are built. I feel, in my opinion, that a waist trainer helps in tightening up my core, tightening up my core muscles, my ab muscles, making my routine, my ab routine, even better and helping me tone up my waist even better. And it has helped me. Sometimes, unconsciously when you're working out, you forget that, okay, you need to tighten up your core all the time. Like when you're doing another form of exercise, like a squat or something, you're always supposed to tighten your core. And we're human beings, we forget. So this will not let you forget. This really sucks in your waist. It's like, oh. And you wear it and you will unconsciously start tucking in your tummy even more and controlling your core muscles and ab muscles. So you put this around your waist, exactly like this. You can either put it over a t-shirt or put it bare on your skin, no issues. It's got a lot of hooks. It may take you a couple of minutes to adjust and do it. There are 3 options. This will be the loosest. This will be slightly more tight, and this will be the tightest. And I like wearing it the tightest. So the trick is, what I do to make sure I get it done properly is I start with the 2nd and then I go on to the 4th. Then, okay, I can actually feel it sucking. There, and then I put the 1st, because 1st has a tendency of coming up. So this is how it looks. You can see that my waist is already sucked in, and you can see this curve happening. And this is the purpose of wearing a waist trainer, to suck in that waist, tighten your love handles and work the core muscles. I only wear this during my workouts. Disclaimer, I do not wear this throughout the day. I do not sleep in this. I do not eat in this. And I will get to why I'm telling you these right now, because there are a lot of people who wear this throughout the day. I do not. I only wear it for 2 to 3 hours in a day, which is my working out time period, and I do not feel very uncomfortable. And in case there are days when I'm a little too bloated and I do feel uncomfortable, I take it off. It's not a hard and fast rule that you have to wear it throughout your workout. I can either give you gyan or I can tell you exactly what this is supposed to do, and with the help of Google, I shall tell you exactly that. First and foremost question everyone is going to ask and everyone wants to know is, for how many hours do you wear it? Like I said before, I wear it only during my workouts. But Google says that if you want to wear a latex waist trainer or corset on a daily basis, the goal is to wear it as long as possible. Long enough each day to experience the best results while also considering comfort and safety. For the best results, we recommend wearing a waist trainer for at least 8 hours a day every day. I'm not completely in tune with what Google is saying. To be honest, wearing this throughout the day for me is very uncomfortable. I cannot do it. I like my body to breathe and to be relaxed, and to be honest, this after a point is not very comfortable. So if you want to wear it for 8 hours, go for it. But in my opinion, try doing it for 1 hour and then proceed to 2 hours. See your comfort level. Don't suffer in the hopes of getting that curvy body. That's just torture. What does a waist trainer do? Yes. A waist trainer is the process of reducing your natural waist size and accentuating curves with the aid of a waist trainer or a tight-laced corset. Corset is वो पुराने ज़माने के होते थे ना. I don't know if you watch a lot of Hollywood films. I used to as a kid. I still do. And वहाँ पे all the Victorian ladies, all the English and American wore corset. That was the normal style of fashion. Anyhow, these garments are meant to give the wearer an exaggerated hourglass figure, which is a tiny waist and curves over the hips. Like I said, it really sucks in your waist, it really sucks in your love handles. It gives you that 36, 24, 36, you know, that hourglass figure everyone wants. It gives you exactly that. Do waist trainers help you lose weight? Wearing a waist trainer can help reduce your appetite at mealtime. It also shapes your waist into a more classic hourglass shape. Again, waist trainers don't melt fat. Please remember, they simply redistribute it while reducing appetite at mealtimes. If you want to lose weight, exercise and eat your vegetables. See, waist trainers do not make you lose weight. The thing is, it just cinches your waist in, it really tightens your core. That is the sole purpose of a waist trainer. According to the Mayo Clinic, wearing a girdle-like contraption may improve your appearance and posture, but it won't strengthen or tone your stomach muscles. Exactly. They are there to just make you remember you have something around your waist. It just distributes the fat or the muscles in your body. It does not actually help you get a flat stomach, or it doesn't actually help you get a smaller waist. It just contracts your body in such a way. Also, another thing that I forgot to mention is that they are saying that if you wear it while eating, you will have lesser appetite. I will not support this idea. Please do not wear this while eating. If you want to lose weight, do it the right way. Don't wear it while eating. Is waist training dangerous? Waist training can harm your organs. Please, people, go through this video very carefully. I am also learning about this and I want to educate you all also properly and not just give you half-baked information. Waist trainers can harm your organs. Fast forward a century and doctors are still warning about wearing waist trainers. Warning that they are not the best idea. They can put added and unwanted pressure on your midsection, limiting blood and oxygen flow to your vital organs, which can be dangerous. Please don't wear it for too long. Wear it only when you're exercising, or wear it for like a couple of hours in a day. And definitely don't wear it while eating. Complete no, no, no. How long does it take to see results from a waist trainer? The target time will be reached today within 10 hours of wear. Okay, it's a quick result thing, but just like Spanx, this is like waist trainer, right? If you wear something that's going to really suck in your stomach, you will look amazing. You will get an hourglass figure. But once you take it off, your fat is not going to miraculously disappear. It's going to be there. Please do not see waist trainer as a weight loss prop or a thing that will help you lose weight quickly or get a better figure. No, it is just so that you are conscious about tightening on your stomach muscles. Do waist trainers flatten your stomach? The process supposedly trains your waist to a smaller size. This I've heard a lot of articles and a lot of research saying that corsets only make you appear thinner when you're wearing them. Like I said, they do nothing to burn off belly fat. Like I said, to truly lose belly, adopt a healthy, reduce calorie eating, yeah, blah blah, the same jazz. What are the side effects of wearing a waist trainer? Skin irritation. If you wear it directly over your skin, one of the most common effects of waist training is skin irritation, acid reflux. Anyone who experiences acid reflux will appreciate intense pain it can cause, breathing, bruising, numbness, psychological toll. I don't know about the psychological toll part, but there could be a skin irritation. Like I said, this thing that I'm actually wearing right now is a little rough. So I like to wear it over a t-shirt, not directly over my skin. Sometimes I wear it over my skin, but I do not wear it for too long. Acid reflux, yes, it is kind of tightening your body and squeezing your organs. So if you have acidity or if you have stomach problems, please do not wear it for too long, and definitely do not wear it while eating. I cannot reiterate that enough. Now, coming to my conclusion and sort of like a review on a waist trainer, I like it. I like wearing it, but I only like wearing it during my workouts. Not before, not after. I will definitely not be sleeping in it, and I'll definitely not be wearing it for 8 hours or wearing it during eating to lessen my appetite. I'm not going to do any of that sorts. My sole purpose of wearing this every day during my workout is so that I am conscious that I need to tighten my core muscles. I need to tighten my stomach while working out. Should you get a waist trainer? That's $1 million question. If you think it will help you with your workout, then get it. But if you are going to get it thinking that it's going to help you lose weight and get flat stomach, no. Please do not be in that misconception. It will only help you look like an hourglass only when you're wearing it. Once you take it off, you're back to your normal size. So please don't be in the misconception that this is going to help you lose weight. This is only aiding and helping your workout routine. I got it for 300 rupees on Amazon. That's my opinion on the waist trainer, and a lot of you asked what it is, how does it help, all those things. So that's why I thought I should make this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you got more knowledge and more information on waist training, and decide whether you want to use it or not. It can be helpful, but there are limitations and there are a lot of precautions, and please do not wear this for too long. Come back to my channel. I post twice a week. One day is for fitness, the second day is for whatever I feel like putting, and please just subscribe people, thumbs up bhi kar do, comment bhi kar do, अच्छा लगता है मुझे. Anyhow, come back to my channel. I'm also on the social medias, Yogasini, Facebook, Instagram. You can follow me there. I post fitness videos there as well. And yeah, I hope you all have a lovely day. I hope you all work out every day and live a very fit life, and see you soon. Bye.